By the way, how's Alabama?
Alabama? I haven't seen Bama over a year and a half.
I thought you two were a team.
We worked for a little while. Did about 4 jobs together. Then decided to call it quits.
Why?
You push that woman-man thing too long, and it gets to you after a while.
What's she doing now?
She hooked up with Frank McGarr. They've done a couple of jobs together. Hell of a woman. Good little thief. So, explain the telegram.
5-man job. Busted in and busted out of a diamond wholesalers.
Can you move the ice afterwards? I don't know nobody that can move ice.
No problem. We got guys waiting for it. Hey, what happened to Marcelo Spivey? Didn't he always move your ice?
He's doing 20 years in Susanville.
20 years, holy God. What for?
Bad luck.
I guess you can say that again.
What's the exposure like?
2 minutes tops, but it's a tough 2 minutes. Daylight during business hours, dealing with the crowd. But you'll have the guys to deal with the crowd.
How many employees?
I'd say around 20. Security pretty lax. They most usually just deal in boxes. You know, uncut stones from the Diamond Syndicate. But on this particular day, they're getting a shipment of polished stones from Israel. They're like a way station, you know? They get picked up the next day and sent to Vermont.
No, they're not.
What's the cut, Papa?
Juicy, Junior. Real juicy.